In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Voice ID in ElevenLabs quickly and easily. This is really useful if you're working with voice cloning, API setups, or any workflow where you need to identify a specific voice inside your ElevenLabs account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to copy it in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Voices section. Click on Voices and then select My Voices. This is where all of your saved and custom voices are listed, so it's the right place to look if you need the ID for a specific voice. Now take a moment to find the voice whose ID you want. If you have a few voices saved, just scan through the list and choose the correct one. This part is important because each voice has its own unique ID, and copying the wrong one could send you in the wrong direction if you're using it for a project or integration. Once you've located the correct voice, look to the right side of that voice row and click the three-dot More Actions button. This menu gives you extra options for that voice, including the one we need. After clicking the menu, select Copy Voice ID. As soon as you do that, the voice ID will be copied to your clipboard and you can paste it wherever you need it. That's it. You've now found and copied the Voice ID in ElevenLabs. From here, you can use it in your automation tools, API requests, or any other setup that requires a specific voice reference. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to go, and now you know the exact steps. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick ElevenLabs tips, AI tools, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.